Hello student, good morning. Today we are going to see about map reading unit 8 geography. Introduction. Maps and globe are important tools for geographers. Map help geographers compare places and relate people activities to the location where they live. They design maps in a way that they can be read and understood by people throughout the world. Map reading. Map reading is an act of understanding the geographic information portrayed on a map. By map reading, the reader should be able to develop a mental map of the real world information by processing the simplified information shown on maps. Next one you see difference between a map and a globe. Map is different from the globe. Map gives a two-dimensional representation of certain regions or the entire world. Globe gives a three-dimensional representation of the entire world. Next one, components of a map. The components of a map is divided into title, scale, legend or key, direction, source, map projection and locational information, and conventional sign and symbols. Next one you see types of map. First one, physical map. The map that shows the physical features of an area is usually called a physical map. Their primary purpose is to show landforms like deserts, rivers, mountains, plains, and plateaus, etc. Next one, cadastral map. A cadastral map refers to a map that shows the boundaries and ownership of land within a specified area. As they are on large scale, they show full details of the boundaries of buildings. Usually, these maps are maintained by the government and they are a matter of public record. Next one you see thematic map. A thematic map is a map that focuses on a specific theme or subject area such as physical phenomena like temperature variation, rainfall distribution and population density in an area. Next one, choropleth mapping. Choropleth map is a thematic map in which area are shaded or patterned in proportion to measurement of the statistical variable being displayed on the map, such as population density or per capita income. Next one, isoline maps. Isolines are lines drawn to link different places that share a common value. Isoline is a line joining equal points. Isobars showing the distribution of atmospheric pressure and isotherms showing the distribution of temperature are the example of isoline maps. Next one you see dot density map. A dot density map is a type of thematic map that uses dots on the map to show the values of one or more numeric data fields. Each dot on a dot density map represents some amounts of data. Thank you students.